Welcome guys, welcome back to Diabetes. I'm Govind here. So I know it's been a rough past 1 year or so because for those guys who are tuning in every day to watch our channel, please do keep supporting us. Your support means everything to us. And if you're new to the channel, of course, check out other contents, and only if you like those, please subscribe. Would mean a lot to us. So the analytics have been going crashing down. I don't know what to say about that, but yeah, so not to get much sentimental over here, let's just talk about what we are going to be talking about today. So today we are going to be I'm going to walk you through one of my latest React apps, which is Network Kit. Okay, so Network Kit is basically a React Redux app actually. So Redux is actually a state management library in React. Okay, so basically it's a data layer over the React app, which allows you to avoid prompt drilling. So don't worry if these terms don't make any sense. Please watch other YouTubers and learn, or it's everything is online for free on YouTube. Please learn those and skill up yourself. And even this channel later on, I'll be doing tutorials, so please do subscribe. It means a lot to us. And Network Kit is basically a LinkedIn clone actually, which basically allows you to post just basic text messages on the app. Basically I've concentrated on the UI this time, so I've tried to make UI as close to LinkedIn as possible. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay, that roll the intro. So as you can see, this is the login screen of Network Kit. So pretty much looks like LinkedIn, I guess. So I do have an this contains Firebase authentication. So I do already have an email and password linked to this web app. So I'll be just logging in. If you are trying this app for the first time, you need to enter your full name. Okay, it's written there too. So this is a React Redux app, of course. Don't forget that. So let's just sign in now, and I have signed in, and immediately you can see it pretty much looks close to LinkedIn, I guess. The header and the side section, the main section, and the what do you call this? The widget section, I guess. As you can see, there's a start a post option. So let's just try typing a text. It only allows you to type a text and just post it. And these buttons, these photo, video, event, and write articles are just basically for show. Doesn't do anything. Okay, so my these are all dynamic. These are static stuff. Okay, not static actually, it's pretty dynamic because I given it a random function in it. So every time you log in, I just refresh it to show you how it looks like. So you can see the numbers change, right? So I have given it a range, and a random number is chosen in between from those. Basically JavaScript thingy. So let's just try typing a post. Okay, and by the way, keep an eye out for the React React, what do you call that? I forgot the name. Okay, I'll just show you what I mean. Okay, so let's just try. I am Govind B Chandran. If anyone doesn't know my name, I'm Govind B Chandran, of course. So full name actually, that is. So let's just try entering. As you can see that yes, I remembered the name. It's called React Flip Move. Okay, so basically when you keep an eye out for each of these cards. Okay, I'm showing these cards. Each of these are cards. Okay, so when I refresh, you will see that images those cards are gonna grow into the screen rather than immediately getting rendered into the screen. Okay, so I just go and refresh and just keep an eye out for that. You might have seen that, right? Please don't tell me you missed out on that. You might have seen that card growing into the screen rather than getting rendered immediately. So that's the power of React Flip Move. It's a cool library in React. Please do check it out. So yeah, this search bar doesn't do anything. Basically, pretty much that's what the app does. You can't even like this. so it's pretty much a wasteful app. So might look pretty again it might look pretty what do you call it, simple to you, but trust me, a lot of work goes into this. So, and yeah, you might have seen that it when I refresh this, it automatically pushes me into the app rather than giving me the option to sign in again, which is the power of React. Okay, so this Redux. Okay, so the Redux automatically remembers that I have already logged in into the app, so it doesn't push me out of the app again. Okay, so when I refresh, okay, so but there is a logout option here. So if that happens, the username and password in the Redux layer gets thrown away or gets pushed away, and I'll be kicked out of the app again, and I'll have to sign in again. Okay, so sorry about my English, so bad, I know, I'm stuttering a lot. So these are all static things. Okay, so this is pretty much what my app does. So I hope it's a pretty clean UI. Okay, so I used React Flip Move, as I said, and you can see, you can basically create a post for this. Hello, let's just type hello. Okay. Hello there, and keep an eye out for the React Flip Move, and voila, you might have seen that again. So yeah, I'll just show you the backend stuff, the Firebase stuff. Please do check out other content, other React apps I've walked through in this channel. I'll link it in the cards and also link it in the description below. Please do check it out. So this is the Cloud Firestore. When you go to it, and you can see this is one document, and I'm talking a bit deep into document in the other videos. Please do check it out. And you can see the one document contains 5 properties, right? 5 properties, and those are description. Description is basically the email. As you can see, this is the description, right? This is the description. What I mean. So yeah, this is one document. Okay, this thing is one document. This one card is one document, what I call it. So it contains a message that is the I am a React developer, that thing. Okay, so and again name, I am Govind B Chandran. Photo URL is basically the thing that pops up here. Okay, so this thing is the photo URL which is shown. Okay, you might have seen that in the login screen. I'll come to it later again. And the last thing is the timestamp. I've talked about it in the previous videos as well. Please do check it out. Basically the real time time at which the card is the data is pushed into the Firebase or Firestore. So yeah, please do please do check out the other videos to learn about more of that stuff. So that's pretty much the working of my app. So I'll log out again just to show you what it looks like here. So when I log out, the username and password in the Redux layer gets thrown away, and I'm pushed out of the app. Okay, so that's what basically happens. And the full name, the profile pic URL is basically that thing which I showed. This is the photo URL or the profile pic URL. Okay, so basically that's the complete working of my app, Network Kit. I linked everything in the source code in the description below. Please do check it out. So this is my repository. This is the thing I'll be linking in the description below. So you can go into it, and as always, I pretty much tidied up the readme stuff. Pretty much given the screenshots and the links, and even the build folder if you know how React works. Again, screenshots folder. And please do check it out if you're keen to learn React and Redux. Please don't jump into Redux immediately. Learn how JavaScript works, then React, then Redux, and then maybe go into Next.js as well. Okay, so basically that's my app, Network Kit. Hope you liked it. Please do give a thumbs up if you liked it, and please do mention in those comments what app you would like to see next. And yeah, pretty much the tutorials are coming later on in the channel. Please do subscribe, means a lot to us again. And yeah, star the repository too if you liked it. Okay, yeah, cheers mate, all the best, thanks.